Hey guys, good morning. So happy Monday to you. I hope you guys are doing well today. It's 11:49 and we're just gonna run to supermarket to grab some stuff. We need sanitary stuff, tissue, bath soap, eggs. Don't need any juice. I have juice already. And by the way, the apple tree in this yard is blooming like crazy. So I had somebody pick some apples for me and I ate them and also gave it to a friend. But I'm gonna need some more because I need to make some juice. We're gonna need ginger, all of that. I'm going to find out from my mother if she have ginger. Before I came into the car, I looked though, and the apples are like so far up, so I don't think I can get them. I can reach them myself, so I may ask the yard man if he can do that for me. Yeah, I'm gonna find out from him. But yeah, we're gonna head to the supermarket just to pick up those like knickknacks, and we're coming back home to do the people in work. So I hope you guys are doing well, and hope you have a wonderful week. I need to wash my car so bad. My car has not been washed in over 2 months. That's nasty. It's very filthy, dusty in here. When I get home, I'm just gonna take up all the excess garbage. I need to wash this week, so I may go by my mom or I may go by the laundromat. I'm not sure yet. I'm sure when you go to laundromat, remember you can use multiple machines once they're available. I just put my sheets and towel, yard clothes, yard clothes and tops and stuff like that. So I can use like 2 machines, and within a half an hour max, I'm out there. When they're at your mom's, it's like 3-4 loads. The laundromat, all your load them go in one time in a different machines once they're available, and boom. And most of the time, 2 to 3 machines are available when I go there. Because based on the time that I go there in the week and in the morning time, Yeah. So sometimes that's why I just go laundromat, and it's not expensive. But I'll pay like $2,000 for 2 loads. Because my loads are not big; they're small loads, small to medium loads. Anyways, let's head inside for the supermarket. Alright guys, so I'm finished with the supermarket. I spent a total of $6,240. I'm gonna tell you something. I need to go back to my Brooklyn supermarket because I have the card and then you get cash. You get points for whenever you shop there. And that those points you can use to, add to your bill. So I really need to get back to, I need to go to Brooklyn. But Brooklyn is just, but I need to go in order to get my points. Because when I shop here, when I shop at Lee's Tunes, I ain't get no points. And I miss my points from Brooklyn. Like, girl be having $1,000 points, okay? $2,000 points. And those just go in my bill. So my ass needs to just drive to Half a Tree and get that done. Yo, the time Mondays today, the heat is ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. The heat is crazy. Yo, my cough did go away, and then we're gonna get back the cough. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Alright, we're gonna go home, make ourselves some eggs and spinach only. Yo, turkey bacon expensive, they're like $1,800 of turkey bacon, Lord Jesus. I can't eat the regular sausage anymore because of my fibroids. Jaja. I just need to start eat the oats and the chai seed and them something in the morning time and banana. Yo, I can't get no red banana nowhere. Bananas, y'all, are so hard to get. Plantain is so hard to get. I had stopped. I was passing Grand Spring the other day. I must have the man I sell 3 plantain for $800. I really should have just buy it. Like when I walk off, I said, no, girl. I long time to eat plantain. All right, could I eat plantain? Would I have plantain? Yeah. I would have had plantain because it's Saturday. Was it Saturday? Yeah, or Friday. No, it was Friday. I'm like, no, man. I really need plantain. But I'm gonna get some sweet potatoes, right? I hope you guys can hear me. And by the way, you guys are on the car mount and I see it shaking, but we in the car a cycle. I'm gonna excuse me, oh my god. I'm gonna head up Red Hills Road right now, across from Price Smart. I want sweet potato. Sir BM, what's I doing? I want sweet potato. So I'm gonna get that. Already have fruit. I have supermarket chicken, rotisserie chicken, leftovers. I have frozen chicken that's already seasoned. So I just need to get me some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna have that for dinner. I did callaloo yesterday, as you guys saw, or in the last vlog. So yeah, the phone is hold on. The phone lean. Child, let me I can vlog and chat in the car, drive and, ooh, you big ass water truck. Alright, so let me hope I can get sweet potato up inside. They're expensive, you know. One thing though, this magnetic, it's tilting when I'm driving. It's moving, so I probably need to get the clamp that clamps the phone and holds it, because it's like leaning. Alright, we'll go to the road and get the sweet potato. See them one here now, no right banana. Oh Jesus Christ. So I stopped and got sweet potato and piece of pumpkin. I'm definitely gonna give mommy, because $500 pound for sweet potato. I only get, watch it, something that lean. I only get 2 sweet potatoes. Well, they're big enough, but I'm gonna make mommy. I'm gonna give mommy money for go town. You know the girl not go downtown. One day I go town, so I'm feel inspired, and I'm some YouTube. I'm trying the right way. Yeah. Some YouTube people go downtown, you know. Me I downtown though. I don't have no time for that. But maybe one day I shall go. But in the interim, as I normally do, give my mother the money until her forget stuff for me. I really need pineapple. I need lots of pineapples. Cucumber. Oh, I'm gonna pick up my cucumber. I need pineapple, cucumber, and all of them. Some of the guys are already there like bad. So when we reach home, I talk to them. This road is like full of holes. I mean, most of the video shake. Oh, damn! Why can't I find a proper mount that doesn't shake? All right, guys. So, all right. Remember I told y'all the girl has been testing out. I got the new phone, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I'm literally using the front of the camera right now. And I have it in the other mode, not the regular mode, the other mode that blurs the background or whatever. And I'm liking it. I mean, looking at it now, let me just look to the camera so I look so I can look. So it looks as if I'm looking at you guys straight. But the quality so far, and like I said, I'm using the front camera, it looks really great. So most of the times, probably when I'm vlogging in the car, I'm driving, I'm gonna use the front camera, so you know, I should be able to see that. But I'm still iffy. I love to use a back camera. It's something that I'm used to, and it just gives perfect quality. So, and that's what I want to bring to you guys. So I don't know, I'm really loving the iPhone, the 16 Pro Max. I'm loving it. I did like do some TikToks to see what are the best camera settings. I did both TikToks and YouTube, so I kind of did that last night. So I'm like testing it out to see, you know, what happens, like, you know. So we shall see when I do the upload on it. But we are home and I'm gonna pack up my stuff now. Yeah, so I got the two sweet potato and half pumpkin for dinner for today and tomorrow. What else? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna head inside and whatever. What the girl like the quality. I can't wait. I can't wait to edit. Can't wait to edit. I have yes weekends vlog that I did, so I'm gonna be editing that. I'm gonna do it on my computer. I no longer edit on my phone, but this is a 5 gig phone, so I may try to just edit one video on it. I may edit this video on it today to see how it goes. Cause this is just like a daily vlog. I'm gonna upload this. Oh, it won't go up today, but it's just a day in my life. So this is what I'm gonna do. But let me head inside. Oh my god, I'm hot because I turned on the AC and because I don't want. I'm trying to test the noise too with this phone to see how it, how it picks up noise and stuff. All right, let's head inside, take these groceries inside, and all that jazz. Guys, you see, if when I re-listen back my videos on this new phone, I am hearing like some static. I don't know what's happening, so I really need to check the settings for the phone because the audio is definitely not crisp. It's off, and I don't know why. I don't know. I'm gonna YouTube to see if there's an issue with it because I'm listening. If you're hearing noise right now, guys, I don't know why. But we'll figure it out. Anyways, we got her American cake. Anytime I go to the supermarket, I always grab this cake. It's just something for sweet, something that I have in the night if I'm feeling a little bit peckish. We got some string beans. I am not a yogurt girly, okay? I know I'm supposed to have it. It's healthy for us female, but I don't eat yogurt. But must say, I'm gonna try it again. I've tried it multiple times over the years, and yogurt is just not for me. But we're gonna try it again because so-called healthy living, we're trying to build.
We are not trying, we are building.
12 eggs. Let's go for my cornflakes. And gotta purchase spinach for the eggs, which I'm gonna do right now. And green tea. Green tea is great for fibers as well. I found this out years ago. I've been having green tea, and we just bought this small bottle of white vinegar. So that's all we did, just like a weekly shopping type of vibe. I don't really shop in bulk. I just when I run out of stuff, I just stock up to hope. Okay, that's what I do. And I know my eggs are going to be done by end of the week, and we're gonna purchase more eggs and all of that. I think we're gonna wrap this up, pack them out, fry the egg, and start working back. That's what I have to do right now.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Give me some to work with, can you just be assured?
So guys, I am now using the front part of my camera. I said and every time I use the front and the back part of this camera, I think I'm gonna say it for this vlog because I just wanna, test when I'm editing. I'm gonna see how, how the quality looks. It may look good now once I'm looking at the screen, but when you're editing, that's where you see the real flaws and everything. So yeah, using the front camera, still working. I have on YouTube right now, but I'm gonna put on Bridgerton and finish watching that. I was watching it last night, and then we have class at 5:30. As of 5:30, well, I'm making some cereal right now, right? And I'm thinking it's 3:45, so work is about to be over anytime within the next hour and a half thereabout. So yeah, hour 45 minutes. I'm really thinking I'm having cereal now because I'm really hungry. I only had the 2 boiled eggs and my tea and juice. That's what I had. So I'm having the cereal. I think after I'm gonna cook. So the pumpkin that I bought today, I'm gonna cook that. Already have chicken and kalu in the fridge, so that's for dinner tonight. And then we're gonna make candles tonight. Like tonight is not gonna pass, and I don't make at least 3 candles. I need to check though how many wicks that I have. The wicks is what you light in a candle, so I need to check how much I have for my first container, my prior container. Yeah, so let me check what's happening with that. I'm gonna check it now once I'm finished having my cereal, but nonetheless I know I have some remaining, so I'm still gonna make some candles tonight, and we're gonna make some candles tonight. So I'm gonna start making some candles for my business. Ooh. By the way, I did tell you, well, if you don't know, I have introduced a new scent into my product line, which is whiskey. And that means I need to purchase some whiskey from the site. So I need to buy more containers, wicks, instructions, stickers, and whiskey scent. So I'm gonna add that to the cart later before I go to bed and see how much money I'm gonna need to purchase that. But yeah, let me put on with this on right now. And yeah, we'll chat later once class is finished and all that jazz. Yeah, when I start making candles. Ooh, I love making some candles, guys. Like, I love making candles. Listen, I'm in the living area, and without my fan being on, I'm gonna be hot. If I don't turn on the AC in the room, I have to turn on the fan. Like, the living area is so hot. There's only one window. My window is open. I have mesh on every windows in the home, but yeah, I over the window there's a little breeze coming in, but guys, I'm not gonna lie, like, whew, in here is super warm. Outside is so hot, but we're thankful for the heat regardless. But for the men, the construction workers and all of that, by the way, nearby me there is a new apartment building going up. There's actually 2 new apartment buildings going up in this area, and you know, you see the men on the buildings and stuff like that, they work hard enough. Like in the sun, I know I can see it changes because the sun just went down. All right, let me hurry up and check. By the way, Night Agent is back, so I'm gonna watch that within the week. Yeah, so what I was saying, yeah, and the men who does construction, y'all are, well, I always thought about, it's not just now, but I always thought about, like, working in the sun is such a hard task, and they need to make money. Those men need to make a lot of money standing in the sun building these high-rise buildings. Like, you know, they never make good enough money. The money may be good, but they should make more than, you know. Well, I tell you, how the world is set up. Persons who does the most labor never gets to pay. Only the boss get the money, you know. That's the circle of the world. All right, let me finish to this work and we'll chat later. All right, guys, so it is 9:04 in the night. My class finished like around 10 minutes ago. So let me tell you guys something. Once class finishes during the evening, like, I am super tired. I just want to lie down and turn on the TV. I did say I was gonna make some candles. I don't know if I'm up to it again, but remember that we did pour water in some containers in the last, I think it's in the last vlog. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how, I think I had showed you at the end of the video that it did form fully, like I told y'all. So here we go. It literally formed full as a whole, like hard. It formed hard, I should say. All right, say yeah. So you can see, very thick. It formed full. So I'm gonna have to turn the camera so you guys can see what I'm gonna do to remove the wax. Now, just press it at the side, press it, and then pour out the water. And here's the wax. Here is the wax. And then look at the residue of the wax that's left. Not too much, just at the bottom here. So this is the wax, the wick sticker. So normally what I do, I just take a knife and dig it out. So we're gonna do that. You have to be very, somebody play music, passing. You have to be very careful though, because you can break the container with the knife. So just ease it a little bit, because it, woo, gotta take time. Hold on, I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay, perfect. So it came out. So what's left? So I'm just gonna take paper towel. Let me get paper towel. Rubbing alcohol and paper towel. Just gonna pour a little in it. And we're gonna wipe it. It's looking all clean already. Almost looking clean. Do that again. So it needs to be wiped a little more, but you can see that, you know, it's looking almost clean. So the next thing I do, definitely have to remove this, take off the instructions at the bottom. I could have let it stay actually, but yeah, it looking all crooked and stuff, because we're gonna, like I said, this is a fresh new candles I'm gonna sell, so the container has to be looking new. Okay. And like I said, if you are repurposing your any candles that you purchase from anybody, you can simply just do that. So I'm gonna finish all of these containers, wipe them out, and then we're gonna wind down and watch some TV. Like, I'm not making any candle tonight. I'm just exhausted, I'm tired, I'm everything. But I do appreciate you guys so much for spending the day with me. It was pretty chill. We went to the supermarket, yeah, got over work, class. I showed you guys my dinner I had, and I think I had string beans, leftover chicken, leftover baked bean and saltfish, and the pumpkin that I bought today. So that was for dinner today. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for sticking and staying in this vlog. Remember to thumbs up, meaning like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't as yet. And I'll see you in another vlog. Bye bye.